a vibrant, heart-shaped delight. This fruit showcases a brilliant red hue, concealing a burst of juicy sweetness within. Small, edible seeds speckle its surface, adding a unique texture to its flavor profile. Renowned for its irresistible taste, it offers a harmonious blend of tartness and sweetness that awakens the taste buds. Whether enjoyed fresh, blended into smoothies, or topping desserts, this fruit is a versatile and beloved addition to various culinary creations. Rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber, it not only tantalizes the palate but also contributes to overall well-being.